If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you apply certifying signatures to a PDF. As the creator, you can apply a certified signature to a PDF if you want users to only make approved changes to the PDF. If a user makes approved changes to a certified PDF, its certification remains intact. Note that Acrobat only lets you apply a certifying signature if there are no other signatures in the PDF. Also note that you can apply either visible or invisible certifying signatures in Acrobat. A blue ribbon icon appears in the signature panel of a PDF to denote a visible, valid certifying signature. However, if a user makes unapproved changes to a certified PDF, its certification becomes invalid. As the PDF's creator, you decide which changes a user can make. PDF certification is most helpful for managing PDF forms. To certify a PDF in Acrobat, open the PDF form in Acrobat to certify and ensure it does not contain an existing signature. Then click the All Tools link in the top bar to show the All Tools panel. Then click the View More link at the bottom of the All Tools panel to expand it if needed. Then click the Use a Certificate link in the All Tools panel to show the Use a Certificate panel. Next, click the Certify Visible Signatures button in the Use a Certificate panel to show a dialog box of instructions. Click the Drag New Signature rectangle button in this dialog box to open the Save as Certified Document dialog box. Read the information in the dialog box, and then click the OK button. Then click and drag a rectangle in the PDF to create a certifying signature field, and open the Sign with a Digital ID dialog box. Select the option button for the digital ID to use, and then click the Continue button. The dialog box then shows the chosen digital ID. Enter the ID's password if needed by typing it into the password field if it appears in the dialog box. Then use the Appearance drop-down to select the digital signature appearance to apply. Your choice appears in the preview area of the dialog box. If needed, select the I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document option from the Reason drop-down. To select which approved changes a user can make to the PDF, select a choice from the Permitted Actions After Certifying drop-down. You can restrict all changes, allow users to fill in form fields and apply a digital signature, or allow users to apply annotations in addition to filling in form fields and applying digital signatures. To review content that may affect signing, click the Review button. To then save the certified copy of the PDF, click the Sign button to open a Save As dialog box. Many users add the word certified to the end of the file name to distinguish the certified PDF copy from the original PDF. Then click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. If you open the certified copy of the PDF, the message bar at the top of the PDF window changes to show the PDF is certified. If you click the Signature Panel button in this toolbar at the top of the certified PDF, the PDF's certification and the changes users can make then appear in the Signatures panel at the right side of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.